Hey, Julian here. So today I'll be taking you through downloading Office 365 on macOS computers. So first things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection because we're going to be downloading an installer. And then the next thing you want to do is go to your browser of choice. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but you can use whatever. And then type in aka.ms/office-install. So after you go to the site, what you want to do is sign in with your WUSTL email. Hit next, and it's going to take you to the WUSTL sign-in page where you log in with your WUSTL key ID and password. And then if you're off campus, you do need to do 2FA. And then once you're in, it's going to ask you if you want to stay signed in. I'm going to hit no because this isn't my computer. And then it's going to take you to this page where you can see that install Office button right there. So what you want to do is click on it to start the download. And since this download takes a while, I'm going to fast forward to when it's done. Welcome back. So as you can see, the download is just about finished. And when it's done, just click on it to run it. And then it's going to open the installer, which will just guide you through the whole process. So what you want to do is hit continue. And then this is the software license agreement. Please read it over on your own time before hitting continue. And then you have to agree to the terms of the software license agreement. And then this page is just telling you how much space it's going to take and where it's going to install. If you don't like it, you can hit this button to change the install location and then hit install. And then right now it's asking for a computer password if you have one. I'm going to type mine in and hit install software. And it's just going to begin the installation process by itself. And since this takes a while, I'm going to fast forward to when it finishes. Welcome back. So it's just about done. And then when it's done, it's going to say the installation was successful, as you can see here. So then what you want to do now is just close the installer, and then you can move it to the trash. And then the next thing that's going to pop up is the Windows Auto Update. So it says all apps are up to date. I'm going to check the updates just in case. And it seems like everything's good, so I'm going to X that out. And then what you want to do is go to your Finder, go to Applications, and then if you scroll down, you're going to see the Office suite. All the products are there, but they're not actually activated. So what you want to do is go into Word, and then this is the first time setup thing, so hit next. This is asking whether or not you want to send optional data. I'm going to hit no, but you can if you want. Hit accept, and then hit OK. And then I'll take you into Word. As you can see, everything's there, but I'm not signed in, and it's also not activated. So hit the activate button, and then you either have to buy it or sign in. And hit sign in, and then log in with your WUSTL email again, because that's the email with all the licenses. And then hit next, and then log in with your WUSTL key ID and password. Hit login, and then again you have to do 2FA if you're off campus. And then after you log in, it should activate the licenses automatically, and then you can start using Word. So yeah. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or problems, feel free to reach out to STS at student.technology@wustl.edu or you can call us at 314-935-7100. Thank you.